Sledgehammer. Second of the big four, class 4 to 5 rapid. Represents one of your largest drops in the river. Average, the gorge runs about 60 feet per mile. But in between Sunshine and Boat Eater, it's the largest drop. Probably upwards around 75 feet per mile. Here comes Joel and the crew right down into bird drop. See him disappear. Boom! They want to get back river right some so you can slide down the envelope wave. This crew is really working. Nice, Joel. Here comes Kev skirting bird drop. Trying to get back river right side down the envelope wave. A lot of rocks and boulders over on that left bank. Nice hit, Kev. Look at the timing on this crew. These guys are meant to paddle. Here comes Rick and his crew, just skirted by bird drop. Use a little back paddle method to get over. Nice rod. There's a large hole right in the middle of the river. Coming up, then they got to get left to avoid Clark's hole down on the right bank. So nasty recirculating hole up against the rock wall. See you folks downstream.